So we're on a basalt series of slabs here right next to the Great Pyramid, and this stone comes from 400 kilometers away. Very nice black basalt, and it has obvious evidence of ancient machining marks in it, which I'll show you. Now, the idea that those were modern saw marks that you were looking at is ridiculous, because who would be up here trying to cut pieces of stone in modern times? It's more as if the cutting that they were doing, they made certain mistakes, and therefore they turned the stone in order to hide the mistake, which is interesting. Also, we can't tell if it's a horizontal saw or a curved or circular saw. If it's a circular saw, it would have to be at least 20 feet in diameter, the thickness about 1/4 of an inch, and we do not have that level of technology in the 21st century. So we're looking at super ancient technology examples in the stone, which is also an indicator in some ways of the age of the pyramids themselves. You've seen the erosion marks, and so we believe that the Great Pyramid and the other two pyramids on the Giza Plateau are far older than the dynastic Egyptians by several thousands of years, and were destroyed in a giant cataclysm of some kind, which was global in nature approximately 12,000 years ago. Now, the basalt stone floor is anomalous at the Great Pyramid because it's only in one section of one side. The rest of it is all the foundation bedrock, which is limestone. And there are depressions in the limestone where the actual stone of the pyramid, the base layer, interlocked into the pyramid itself during its construction. And that's also true of the casing stone. The casing stone wasn't adhered to the surface, but was three-dimensionally locked into that. And who would have a level of technology that sophisticated to be able to do that? The dynastic Egyptians only had bronze tools at best. Bronze tools you can use for cutting limestone, but for such complex cutting here, taking into account you have 2.3 million blocks comprising the Great Pyramid, clearly we're looking at an older civilization with lost ancient high technology.